This is an update issue for Mr. Wayne Marks. Throughout the week, the PVC windows and doors arrived site. The team from Mr. Javier Salivar has commenced with the installation. Progress is coming along very well. The exterior frames will be sealed off with silicone strips to prevent any water entering the building and damaging the subfloor. Progress going good.
This is an update here for Mr. Wayne Marks, Street 7 off Mahogany Bay. Mr. Zaldiver's crew is on site. The crew has commenced with our windows installation here for the main house. As soon as we have our windows installation completed, the crew will then proceed with our silicone application to seal off all our gaps